Hey everybody, it's Alexis from the Bedford Life, and you know summer is in full swing when you go into the grocery store and you see lots and lots of watermelons. Now, as much as I love them, I really can't eat like a whole watermelon by myself, and I end up throwing a lot of it away. So last week I showed you a really easy recipe for spicy watermelon salad, which called for half of a watermelon. And this week I'm going to show you a really easy recipe for watermelon smoothie, which calls for the other half of the watermelon. This way none of it goes to waste. So grab an apron and let's get started. You ready, Dad?
Okay.
Here's what you'll need. If you only have plain yogurt, that's when you'll want to use the vanilla extract. But if I've said it once, I've probably said it in every single one of my videos, really just work with what you have. If you don't have vanilla extract or you don't have vanilla Greek yogurt, just use a plain yogurt. It's really not going to make that much of a difference on the final outcome. Super easy. Put it all in a blender. So this part is like totally optional, but what I did was I toasted about 1/4 cup of cashews, which is probably like a handful. I toasted them at about 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes and then put them in a small food processor to give them a rough chop. I recommend that if you're going to use cashews, you can also use pistachios, but make sure you take the shells off. That if you're going to do this, that you only put the nuts on top of the smoothie like right before you drink it. If you have extra smoothie, don't put all the nuts in it and then put it in the fridge because they'll get like gross and weird. So again, only put the cashews on top right before you serve it. I will tell you that it separates once it's in the fridge. You'll want to keep it in the fridge obviously, but it does separate, so there's like a little bit of water on the bottom. And so right before you drink it, say the next day or the day after that, just give it a good shake before you serve it. And here's the final result. Now, if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below or the pineapple in the bottom right corner. You can also go to thebedfordlife.com and join our mailing list. You'll get 15% off your first purchase. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.